Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 53 practice set. I'll do another video of the starred problems. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be talking about ratio word problems, and we're going to be making ratio boxes. We're going to be making ratio boxes until the end of the year. I actually call this the Dora the Explorer method. What we do is we do ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. And if you've ever watched Dora the Explorer, that's how you get to Candy Mountain. It's ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. And that's how you get to Candy Mountain. Okay, so let me change my, and we'll do A. This is something that you might want to write in your spiral. But it says the girl-boy ratio was 9-7. If 63 girls attended, how many boys attended? So this is what our ratio box is going to look like. And we have our ratio and our actual numbers. And then we have boys and girls. So let's see. The girl-boy ratio was 9-7. So that means that the girl was 9 and the boy was 7. Okay. And it says if 63 actual girls attended, how many boys attended? Well, we don't know, so I'm just going to put an X there. So here's my ratio box. I've got my girl to boy ratio here. And this gives me my proportion. So from here, my proportion looks like this. 7/9 is equal to X over 63. And I'm trying to solve how many boys we have. And then from here, I cross multiply. So I'm going to circle 9 times X. My equals comes down. And then I'm going to multiply 7 times 63. Keep in mind, I'm trying to solve for X, which means I'm trying to get X on one side of the equals by itself. Okay, the 9X is going to remain the same. Let me go ahead and multiply 7 times 63. And I get, I lost my little pointer here. There we go. So now I can divide. My 9's cancel. I get X. My equal sign comes down. And I get 49. I lost my thing again. There we go, 49. When I divide 441 by 9. Okay? And that's A. I'm going to go ahead and erase this, and then I'll do B. All right, so B says, oh, here we go. There we are. B says the ratio of sparrows to blue jays. So let me do my ratio box. And that's going to have 4 parts here. I know there's going to be a ratio because it says so right there. And I know that there are going to be actual numbers as well. It says sparrows to blue jays. So I'm going to shorten sparrows to S and blue jays to B. At the bird sanctuary was 5-3. It says if there were 15 blue jays, so let's see, actual number of blue jays would be 15. How many sparrows? So we don't know how many actual sparrows there are. So this is our ratio box. Now we need to go, what happened? Now we need to go to our proportion. So our proportion is going to be 5/3 is equal to X over 15. And then we'll do our cross multiply. So let's see, we'll cross multiply 3X, bring our equals down, and then we're going to cross multiply 5 times 15. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply 5 times 15. We haven't done anything with the 3X yet. And now we want to get X by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. I'm running out of room. So I get X is equal to, and 75 divided by 3 is 25. So that means we have 25 sparrows. Okay. Oh, let me see if I can get rid of that. Okay, so let's keep going. It says the ratio of tagged fish to untagged fish was 2 to 9. So let me go ahead and draw my ratio box. Remember, it's ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. So here's the ratio. Here's the actual. It says tagged fish to untagged fish. So I'm just going to put T for tagged and U for untagged. Was 2 to 9. 90 fish were tagged. So let's see. In the tagged row here, I have actually 90 fish. How many were untagged? So I'm going to put that there. So I have my ratio box. Let's go ahead and make that into a proportion. And then we're going to cross multiply. So let's see, I have 9 times 90. I'm just going to put that right here. My equals comes down, and then I have 2 times x. I'm solving for x. So let me go ahead and keep this side, and then 9 times 90 is 810. I'm going to divide by 2 to get x by itself. Let's see. And I get 405. 405 untagged. Okay. All right, so now we're on starred problems. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Actually, we're not going to do D because that changes every year, the ratio of boys to girls in the classroom. So I'd like to be able to use this video year over year if at all possible. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Remember that you can pause, you can rewatch, you can slow it down, you can speed it up, you can go to the part that you need to. That's the beauty of these videos. And if you want to watch the starred problems video, that's coming up next.